ancient, like we stumbled upon some sort of ancient civilization.
Timeless way of making a place, ultimately. At the top of a hill, push out your defensible space to the outside and then make a sacred space in the middle.
That's right, it feels sacred. It feels sacred, doesn't it? Sort of an Aztec sort of sacred quality.
Yeah. This is wild country out here. And this is untamed wilderness.
Assigned a plot on a hilltop plateau, the architects chose a circular 45-metre diameter design so as to make the most of the panoramic views. 4 rows of steel columns support the roof, while walls of glass help the building dissolve into the landscape. There are 4 crescent-shaped segments of domestic space, including an outdoor utility room, 3 bedrooms and a living room kitchen diner.
Oh, I like that because that sounds like Starship Enterprise door. I can never make that noise. I've never been able to.
You just did.
It's a good space for a kitchen. It's sort of a little
Sliver.
mini, yes, a sliver of building. But oh, okay.
Opens up, I think. For most of the year, you can open all of these screens. Push.
Nearly. Oh.
And the character of this room has changed completely.
It suddenly becomes one of the most amazing kitchens in the whole world because the wilderness is just here.
It's now the biggest room in Spain.
Yeah. We're out in the wilds, we're by the mountains.
What's wonderful is how close to nature this house allows us to be. These open-plan, crescent-shaped living spaces are pretty radical, but somehow they work. I like the way it deals with light and surface is beautiful. I mean, that stuff, I think, is beautiful. I think the quality of the light filtering through that expanded metal and this polycarbonate is beautiful. I mean, it's really sumptuous, this house, in some ways. I mean, it's a beautiful thing. But it's made out of stuff that is just industrial materials.
The floors are polished concrete?
This is polished concrete, yeah. It's had the surface ground off, and you see the exposed aggregate, you know.
So and that looks like a terrazzo floor?
It looks like a terrazzo floor, but it's polished concrete. Idea, because the idea is one single, simple circle. And how this architect has made it usable is to turn it into a square. What they've done is add in 4 straight walls across the plan, and what these square walls do is